crispy, cooked on the inside fully. They remind me of the Red Robin fries that I really rated super high, like one of the best fries I've had. These are up there, guys. These are great. Look at this little guy. A little burnt on the ends. Nice and seasoned. Listen to this crunch. Awesome, guys. So good. Let's take one. I have some Heinz Simply ketchup, my favorite ketchup. Let's try it out. Ketchup and fries go together, for sure. Yeah. All right, guys. That's what I'm talking about. Love, love, love these fries. They're definitely in my top 5 of these refrigerated fries, frozen fries I've tried so far.